What is going on here?
You're fine.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Woohoo! Go, Soren, go.
Eat it.
Yeah.
You might want to keep a hand under it because it might end up flipping over.
And you might throw it.
You might pull the plate up and flip it over.
Is that good cake? Dig in.
Yeah. How come I get to this?
Give him a spoon. He said. I'm with you there. Yummy? Good stuff?
It's like stone face. That's a
Yeah.
Yay! Dig in that. I'll get it all over your
Soren, you don't feel like it. You're on show here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna play with it for a while.
Soren,
Yes.
is that good?
Yeah. He's like, are you sure it's time?
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, there you go.
That's awesome. Everybody. Good job. Yum, yum.
He's like, what are you doing?
Scared him.
Yeah.
Very experimental.
Uh,
Now we're going to. Oh, now we're going to finger paints.
Yum, yum.
Yeah.
We'd have to throw you in a tub. Take them outside and squirt them like the whole. We got the kiddie pool set up. Oh.
He's like, what did I do wrong? Yay!
Dig in.
What is he showing me?
Just like your Uncle Mike.
Yum yum. He's looking right at this thing.
I got jeered.
Yes, so there we go.
Do it the honey badger way.
Now the next reminding him that I really can't do
I
that.
don't care. I don't need no silverware.
Oh yeah.
He's like, Honey Mickey.
Wow. Seeing a kid do that was the first birthday party.
Just dig into it.
Yeah. Looks like he has a little goatee going.
Num num num. He's like, well, how else am I supposed to eat this thing?
Boy, so that tastes good.
Kissing his cake.
Fork? Ooh, you got a good bite there.
Hey, Soren.
It's really different on my hands.
I didn't realize there's going to be cream inside.
They're like,
It's like a
Oh my God, don't look at them.
it's a funfetti cake.
nice beard there, Bubba.
Soren.
He's got an orange beard.
Look at those cheeks.
Oh no, not there. Yep,
Just washed your high chair.
definitely going in the bath.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Messy boy. Messy, messy boy. See that messy boy. Hey, messy boy. Messy, messy boy. How big are you?
Good idea, Mike.
How big? Don't barf it up.
Look at you.
We'll bring Diesel when he's done.
That wasn't the first birthday. Oh my gosh, I was old enough to be walking around. Gene had this little coffee table.
Oh.
It's just look at that.
Oh yeah.
Are you all done?
He's sick of sitting down in that
All
chair.
done?
Oh yes.
Want to wait a second?
Yeah,
Bruce,
I'll
you
wait.
want one?
Oh my goodness.
I'm full right now.
Are you all done? All done.
Gotta be done, right?
Yeah.